All right, everybody, reporting live from Gillman Dodge. We are here and we have got 4 level 2 chargers and 1 level 3 charger behind me. You can see the level 2 there. That's the 80 amp unit. That's the Stellantis preferred unit. And we just ran our pipe here, so I'm going to show you our pipe down on the ground. We wanted to do an easy, simple, effective install. We've got the 82 amp here. Again, you can see still some debris and some wire in the background. We have not pulled wire. We have EV Connect on this unit here. We've got the second unit that's being installed. These are where we take our connectors to, and then you can see there the wire on the ground. And then here we have our level 3 unit. This is the 180 kW. This is a really popular model. You can see the big difference in the size of the pipe. This, for running to the level 3, is the 4-inch pipe on the left, and on the right we have the 2-inch pipe for the level 2 charger, 80 amp. Beautiful unit there. That's a dual CCS1. We can walk upstairs into the electrical room and we can take a look at what we've got our installers putting in. We had 480 volt already in this unit, in this electrical room, and what we did was we just added another breaker. We ran off of that, ran our 3-inch pipe, went through the wall, and then for our level 2 unit we actually installed the service panel, low voltage transformer. And again, we're getting ready to finish this up. We're pulling wire, we're getting ready to put the guts on the inside there. We do lockout, tag out, that way we can stay safe while we're working. Again, really lucky that we had existing power. That saved us from a lot of trouble. A really beautiful install. And just look at how big this conduit is, this flexible 4-inch conduit for the level 3 charger. So if you're ever wondering what goes into the install, a lot of really big wires, a lot of really heavy flexible cabling, and that's really important. Look at how clean we did this install with the runs, and then we drilled through, and then we'll go ahead, once we're done with this, we'll actually seal tight these areas here. Foam to seal our connections that we made when we plugged through the wall. Got our 4-inch conduit, our 3-inch conduit, our new panel, our transformer, and our main breaker. Looks really good. But I'm wrapping the cords here on the 80 amp level 2s. So these are the 80 amp chargers. These have been extremely hard for everyone to get, specifically because all 4 dealerships are requiring, when dealers put these in, that they use the 80 amp, which is the largest unit in the 240 volt that you can get. So it's been nice that we were able to get these. I know of people that have been on back order for about a year for these, so it's been good to see them come in. Clean that up in a second. We got a couple of them over here.